Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on your iPhone. Now I'm going to show you today how to set up the bookshelf on the EGW Writings 2 app to be exactly how you like it. We have built 5 different methods of layouts that you can lay out the books to appear either as a list or as thumbnails. And I'm going to demonstrate how you do that right now. In the side menu here, there's settings, and to open the side menu, you click on the little tiny sandwich icon in the top right hand corner, and then I click on settings, and right there in settings you see this big slider, and there's bookshelf layout. Now if I come here and I slide it all the way to the left, it's going to put the books in list mode. So if I come here and go to all collections and I click on books, you can see now that I have a list of all of the books in their book code form. So that is bookshelf layout step 1. Now if I click back here and I go to step 2, you'll now notice that it gives me the books in a list of titles. Okay? If you want to use the little quick slider at the access on the side, if I want to go to like Ministry of Healing, I can tap on the M, and there it is right there, the Ministry of Healing. Now the next step in the bookshelf is book thumbnails. So if you come back here, you can now see that I've got the thumbnail mode. Now the next mode is it zooms in a little bit and makes the books a little larger if you have difficulty reading the smaller size. And it goes from 3 to 2 books. And the last one brings up where it will show you the book cover and gives you a little bit of information about each book. So that is that step. And if you want to go back to the default, there is one more position that's default. You can just tap on that and it brings it back to the default layout mode. So they are the 5 different layout styles that you can use within the EGW Writings 2 app, and that's how you set it up in the settings. Thanks for joining us for another tech tip. I'm Daryl Thompson, your host. Have a nice day. Bye for now.